search Taiyo the Little Bus on Amazon Video.
A present for Hana. Exciting music is playing at the repair shop. Hi, everyone. Wow, that music is really awesome. Right?
You seem very happy.
Huh?
Yes, I plan to go on a trip during this coming vacation.
Wow!
Really?
Where are you going?
Ta-da! This place.
Wow! Are you going to the beach?
Look at those people sticking out their butts like that.
Oh, they are actually dancing to this kind of music, like this.
Hana must be really excited.
Hula hula.
Finally, it's the day for Hana to leave for her trip. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow! Oh, you look very pretty. You have fun, Hana.
Thanks, guys. I gotta get going now. Huh?
We've got a problem. Oh,
What happened?
Rogi, what are you doing? Huh? There was a big accident in the city. We need your help.
There are lots of cars that need repairing.
What?
But Hana was about to leave for her vacation.
Oh, was she?
Oh dear.
Okay, I got it. Rookie, Pat, let's go.
Okay.
But what about your trip?
There are cars waiting for help. See you later.
Hana decides to give up on her trip and help repair the cars from the accident. Hana must be disappointed. She was really excited for her trip.
Right.
Isn't there anything we can do to help her feel better?
Oh, I have something!
What? What is it?
We will decorate the garage just like that photograph.
What photo?
The picture Hana was looking at.
Oh, that one.
Wow! Then she'll feel as if she's on vacation.
You're right. Taiyo, that's a great idea. Thanks. The little buses are studying the picture. So what do we need exactly? First, we need to decorate like the beach.
And we need a camping trailer.
And a wreath.
It'd be nice if there's dancing.
Rogi, how about you and I go and look for a camper and a wreath?
Okay.
Then Gani and I can decorate the garage in the meantime.
Yes. All right. And where do we find a camper?
Don't worry. I know a good place to start.
Where is that? Ah! What are these? This is just a dump.
What's wrong? This place has literally everything. Whoop!
Where are you going?
Taiyo! How is this?
Ooh, what is that?
Look! Doesn't this look similar to what was in the picture? No?
I don't think so.
Oh, you don't. Wait a second then.
Rogi.
How about this?
What?
I think this is better. Right?
I don't think we can find something here.
You don't? I think they're all fine.
Rogi, look at this!
Wow, this is awesome!
I think it'll be fine if we just clean it up.
See? I told you there's everything here.
You are right! Lani and Gani go to the city while thinking about how to decorate the garage.
How can we make it look like the beach?
Let's see.
Wow, this is great.
It sure is, yes. Oh, Andy painted this.
Oh, this is it.
What is it, Lani?
Gani, why don't we ask Andy to paint the beach scenery?
Wow, that's a great idea.
You want me to paint a beach landscape?
Yeah. We want to decorate the garage just like the beach.
The beach, huh? Okay.
Thank you, Andy.
You're welcome. Anytime you need painting.
Taiyo, the little bus.
How's this?
This is really great.
Now I gotta work on the sandy part of the beach. Where's my sand-colored paint?
Is it over here? Ah!
Lani!
Oh, the paint. Huh.
Oh no, I can't paint sand without it.
Really?
Oh, I got an idea.
An idea?
Huh?
Yes, I will be right back.
Gani?
So, Rogi, we've got ourselves a trailer, but now we just need to make a wreath somehow. Where can we get flowers?
Oh, Dory!
Rogi! Taiyo! What are you doing here?
Well, Dury, we want to give Hana a wreath.
And we don't know where to find flowers to make it.
Oh. I know where you can find lots of flowers.
Wow, really?
Wow! Right? There are lots of nice flowers. I'll bring some for you. Wait a moment.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, this is pretty too.
Go, Dory!
Dury, what are you doing?
Ma'am, I was just...
Where did Gani go?
I don't know. Oh,
Huh?
you don't think he actually went to the beach, do you?
What?
To get the sand? I think he went to the beach.
No way. Oh, Lani, look over there.
What?
Lani!
Wow! What happened?
We heard that you were preparing a present for Hana, so we came to help.
Really? Gani, that's great!
There. Okay, it's done.
Wow!
Oh, it's like we're really at the beach.
Yes, it's great! Thank you, everyone.
It's really nothing.
Won't Hana just love this?
Yes, she will.
And what has happened to Taiyo and Rogi, who are looking for flowers?
You shouldn't pick flowers like that.
I'm sorry.
That will hurt the flowers.
Excuse me?
Oh?
Dury didn't do anything wrong.
He's right. Dory was just trying to help us.
Actually, earlier today, Hana was leaving on vacation. Taiyo and Rogi tell the teacher about Hana.
Ah, I see. But it is still wrong to pick flowers like that.
Okay.
Don't be disappointed, though.
Huh?
We have another way.
Really?
Why don't we make paper flowers?
Paper flowers?
Yes, that will look pretty.
That's great!
Oh, yeah!
There.
Wow!
That's so pretty.
Thanks, everyone. And thank you, ma'am.
Wow, Hana must be so happy with the present from the little buses.
Oh, then let's make one for our teacher.
Yeah, let's do that!
Well, I guess it's time for us to go.
Okay, bye.
Is everyone finished?
You'll be very surprised.
Yeah? We also got an awesome camping trailer.
And a nice wreath, too.
Huh?
Guys, we need music to dance to.
Don't worry. I've got that covered already. All right, then we're ready.
We are!
That evening, Hana comes back to the repair shop.
Oh, my dress has got all dirty. I really wanted to go. Guess I had no choice.
Hannah! Are you off work now?
Yes.
Then let's go somewhere.
Where?
Come on.
All right. Okay.
Okay, here we are.
Okay. Oh.
Ta-da!
Wow. Guys.
And there.
Oh.
Now sit on the chair over there.
Yes, and wear that wreath as well.
A wreath? This is pretty. Wow, you are good. Let's get some rest then.
Hana enjoys an amazing vacation at the garage thanks to the little buses.